Have you been resisting coming to yoga class because you have some sort of pain or injury that you're dealing with in your body? I'm Krista Oakes, and each Monday I like to share with you a Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. And I've been doing a little series about doing yoga and movement with injuries. Now, you do have to get your doctor's permission, and you do have to be very careful. Another common ailment that my students share with me is their challenges with foot pain. Sometimes that's more specifically plantar fasciitis. And actually, when we stretch and move the foot, it can make us feel better. So rather than staying at home and not doing anything, I want to encourage you to come to a class, to come to a place where you can feel supported and move not only your foot, but also keep the rest of your body feeling good. Specifically with plantar fasciitis, you can do stretches. It's important to move your toes, and these are all things that we do in class together, or you can do them at home. You can move your toes around. There's some really wonderful stretches. You can use a chair to flex your foot to start to stretch all the muscles in the foot. One of the sources of plantar fasciitis pain, though, is a disalignment in our body. One leg is often shorter or longer than the other. And so that's why they promote all these inserts. But if you come to yoga, you're actually able to put your body in natural alignment. It's kind of like getting a natural chiropractor adjustment. And by creating that space and lengthening and stretching, your hips will become more level, your knees and your ankles. And by doing that, getting your legs more even, that will help reduce your pain. So I encourage you, even if you're dealing with a challenge, to try stretches, try to move. It's not only good for your body, but it's also good for your mind when you're dealing with this really challenging pain. Move, move, move. That's the name of the game. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Namaste.